Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. Today's pocket is a postcard pocket, and you can use a vintage postcard or any kind of postcard, or if you don't have one, you can print one out from online. I happen to have this vintage postcard, and as you can see, this is probably like a hotel, and it's pink, and of course there's flamingos in the yard. It's probably in Miami or something, but it is vintage and it is fun. So I thought I'd go ahead and take this sticker, which was kindly given to me by my friend Terry of Tellin's Place. I'm going to place that on top of the postcard. Now you'll notice that I adhered the postcard to some scrapbook paper that I had cut to size. And now I'm going to use this fun sticker. Two of my friends sent me this same sticker, and it's a flamingo cupcake, of course. And one of my friends was Jen of Scrapbooks and Memories, and my other friend is Becky Thompson. And I'm so glad to be able to use one of them. I wanted to be sure to mention that 100 Days of Pockets was created by Cindy A. Lewis, and she and I are both hosting it. And I wanted to mention also that she has a booklet that you can download and print out, so you can have the instructions on how to create all of these pockets in one handy place. This pocket was super easy and it's super, super fun, and I really like how it turned out. I appreciate you spending some time here today. Be sure to check out Cindy's video today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.